Let's talk about the latest launched Huawei smartphone Pura 70 Pro Plus. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with LTPO OLED display, 6.8 inches Full HD plus punch-hole display, resolution of 1260 by 2844 pixels, 89.3% screen-to-body ratio, approximately 460 ppi pixel density, 2500 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR color quality support, and with Xuanwu tempered Kunlun glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel 25mm OIS wide-angle camera, along with 48 megapixel 93mm OIS 3.5x optical zoom and 100x digital zoom telephoto camera, and with 12.5 megapixel 13mm ultra-wide-angle camera. For selfies it has 13 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on exclusive optimized version of Harmony OS 4.2 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.3 GHz single-core Taishan Big, 2.18 GHz tri-core Taishan Mid, 1.55 GHz quad-core Cortex A510, powered by Kirin 9010 chipset, paired with Maliun 910 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and 512 GB, 1 TB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.6 by 75.1 by 8.4 mm, and it weighs around 220 grams, and the color options phantom black, string white, light weave, silver colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5050 mAh battery, with 100-watt super fast charging, 80-watt wireless super fast charging, 20-watt reverse wireless charging, 18-watt reverse wired charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display optical fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS L1 plus L5, Type-C headphone jack, with stereo speakers support, USB Type-C 3.1 Gen 1 charging port, BDS satellite calling and message support, infrared remote control, IP68 dust and water resistant, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Huawei Pura 70 Pro Plus has been priced for 16 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 7,999 Chinese yuan, and around $1,104 and 306,999 Pakistani rupees, and 93,999 Indian rupees, while the 16 GB plus 1 TB storage variant at 8,999 Chinese yuan, and around $1,242 and 345,999 Pakistani rupees, and 105,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Huawei Pura 70 Pro Plus smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.